Steroid Santa Claus kicks and deals. It's a long fly ball going back, and the ball shatters the sky, bringing the ocean itself down into the stadium. Oh, Simpson just broke this dream's reality wide open.
They
You go
detonated
over so many
200
different things.
hydrogen bombs trying to ignite the atmosphere
Yes.
in the 1960s.
Oh, no, I know
the
they did.
U.S. Air Force tried to destroy the atmosphere in 1968.
Yes. Operation Starfish Prime. They actually detonated a nuclear
it's
bomb.
psychotic.
They detonated a nuclear bomb in the upper ionosphere.
Trying to blow up the radon radiation bomb.
Yes, they've done a lot of goofy.
In 1962, American scientists, along with the American military, started Operation Dominic, a series of nuclear warhead detonation testings. A special created offshoot from Operation Dominic was called Operation Fishbowl, meaning firmament. Operation Fishbowl was a series of high-altitude nuclear warhead detonation testings, trying to break through the firmament, only to discover they could not. With respect to the data that they've collected in regards to the high-altitude nuclear warhead detonation testings, discovering that they could not break through the firmament but can actually ionize the firmament in such a way to an advantage for long-range communications over flat Earth plane, that reality was then established, eventually creating the birth of the satellite fakery. Here is declassified film footage of Operation Fishbowl. You can see when the high-altitude nuclear warhead detonations happen, it appears as if they're exploding through water, bringing up yet another questionable reality, proving that the firmament just may actually be dividing the waters from above from the waters below? Interesting.
They called it Operation Fishbowl, and it was to shoot missiles into space because they thought they had the power to finally break through the firmament. And actually what happens, if you read the rest of the article, these missiles would hit up at a certain altitude, and then light would shine all the way to the other hemisphere. And the reason that was is because they were hitting that glass, and the glass was reflecting it all the way across the sky. It's not some globe Earth where they're just trying. Why would they just shoot a missile in the air to see how high it can blow up? Like, are they just playing with rubber bands? Like, they're doing it for a reason, and they called it Operation Fishbowl for a reason. Dominic is from the late Roman italic name Dominicus, and it means belonging to God. And then that word chama is a fixed, massive, irregular, inequivalent shell. So they originally called it the shell belonging to God, but then they just termed it Operation Fishbowl.
So now it's scraping against the top. And you can see the vapors. Isn't that amazing? Now it skips off the dome again. Now it's about to hit it again. Because the worst thing that ever happened to liars is people getting their access to some of these cameras that can do full spectrum recording and all that stuff. Look at this. That's a wake of water. Look at that. Oh, is that a dead spin mechanism? Dude, that's a wake. Look at that.
Formula is based upon the assumption of a flat Earth, there's a near sun, and there's a firmament, apparently.
It seems the stress of plowing through the waters above the firmament have caused another stage of the rocket to break loose and begins to hammer against the dome. I like this song. Psalm, praise him, ye the heavens, and ye waters that be above the heavens. Look at that. What is up there, man? I find it all so fascinating.
Of electromagnetic fields over flat Earth. You'll notice that on page 7, it says flat idealized Earth. On page 17, flat Earth. Page 18, flat Earth.
The impenetrable firmament, as seen here in 1962. This is where we actually live. Stationary, infinite, flat Earth plane. The altitude of this still picture taken from a video is at 385,800 feet, or 73.07 miles. Straight up, reaching the firmament height. Here is that video.